Chinese government force every single Uyghurs to download this app. This is the app.
Muşu app bolsa biz musulmonning qoidasi bo'yicha birsimizga Allohga omonat. İnşallah Xudoga shukr. Ya Allohning ismimiz Allah'ın assalomu alaykum hatta shundoq gaplarni deyamaymiz. Muşu app telefonimiz bo'ldiki 3 minutdan ichida shu gapni deb qoldik. Saqchi doiralari bizni tutib ketdi.
Chinese government has control of every single moment of our conversations, what we watching, what we saying to each other, and what we reading. They can monitor that. Because of this app, we can't even use the Islamic word like Salam Alaikum or Khuda Hafiz or that kind of, all those religious related words are banned. If you use those words, in couple minutes, police comes and take you to the detention camps.
Vatanimizdeki öylərinin hacetxanasının derizleri yok. Hatta ki Ramzan'da muş Xitaylar deriz marab kimden çırıqı yandı dep, aşta kısa biçer Uygurlar hacetxanda oturup zoluk yeydi.
Can you imagine? Because we cannot fast, we're not allowed to fast. If we turn on the lights at night in the middle of the night for sahur, the Chinese police walks around and check which houses turning their lights. So some of our people, they go to bathroom and they eat their sahur inside the bathroom so no police notice them.
Küçük ballardan mekteplerde soraydı. Apağın namaz ötemdi, dadan namaz ötemdi. Narısıydı ballarının hata berip bağın uxmay. Muşu bilmey aldap şürüp ballardan guvalık belgizip. Atalarının muşu ballarının öteydi o yanında ceynamaz var mı, Kur'an var mı dep. Ballar bilmesinden depsağalık için nurgun atalarını Xitaylar sakçıları tutup ekitildi.
Did you know that they use our own kids as a spies on our activities? They ask our children at school, is your parents fasting? Is your parents praying? Do you guys have Quran in the house? Poor little kids, they speak the truth. And because of that, many parents are taken to the concentration camps.
Sizler ballarınlarını azada, Bahraman mescitlerde, billi yılınlarda namaz ötetken vaxtıda biz ballarımızga namaz ötemedik de, öyle Kur'an yok da dep, her gün, her saat şulağı tapılap ötemiz. Ballarımızdan bir yığız gibi doğruluk bizden yani kampıga kirip ketmesligimiz için ballarımızını yalgan guvalık berişke, muallimlerge, saqçılarga, kimge uçursa yalgan bir nas deyişke ündeyimiz biz ballarga şunu ögütimiz.
You guys are free here. You can go to mosque with your kids. You can pray together. You can teach our religion to your kids. Say Alhamdulillah, because we teach our kids not to share those, not to tell them that we have Quran in the house, not to tell the police or their teachers that we talked about religion in the house. We had to teach those things to our kids.
Hatta ki mening ballarım Ürümçi aeroportun İslamabadga keldik. İslamabadga keldik. Musulman devleti özünün hem darısının devleti. Azan to'lisa mening ballarım qo'rqib birsi qirib, "Opa, qanday qilamiz?" deganda azanning ovozini anglab.
When I was released, when we came to Pakistan, first time when my kids heard about Adhan, they were so scared. They didn't know what to do. They were asking me what to do with this Adhan. Do we have to listen this? They were basically lost.
Ötünüp qalay xalqim, dunyoning bir chetidagi musulmonlar shunchalik ig'ir kunlarni kechiryapti.
Şunda kılışınlar gerek, her bir Müslüman için dinini biriş gerek. Her bir Müslümanlığı deydiğinin, aslı Müslümanlar için Müslümanlar can kılışı gerek. Sizlerin bütün dünyadaki Müslümanlarını qarab turvatqanга ayran ben.
Isn't it?
Biz Uyg'urlar eng dinga changkanmiz. Shunchalik darajada qiyinchilikda bo'lsaqmi, ashta ash qilib, o'birni yurib, ro'z tutyapti. Ashta yana diniga chang turyapti, namozni ashta qilib, urilib, so'qilib yurib, ash Xitoyning zulm bilan o'qiyapti. Aşnaq Müslümanı qutqizmayotganlarga aş Xitoy qarshi chiqmay, yana shu Xitoyning so'zini so'zlayotgan musulmon davlatlarga ayran.
As you see, even in this condition, we try our best to keep our religion, continue our religion. You guys are in the free world. Isn't our book, Holy Book, Quran says, when there is injustice, stand up for it? Isn't our Quran says, help your brothers and sisters, help the oppressed, not the oppressor? I am very disappointed in the Islamic world, especially our brothers and sisters in Muslim countries, that they're not doing enough. They're not speaking up. Their government is not doing enough.
Biz musulmonlarda qo'shning oshqaga holatda sening hajang qubulunmaydi deydigan gap so'zlarmi bor. Biz bu holatda kelganda sizlarga haqiqatan muhtoj biz. Bizning har qanday ishlarimizga Xitoyga qarshi bu kurishimizga biz bilan teng atlanishinglarni umid qilma. Ko'pchilikka rahmat.
We really hope and demand and beg you and implore you that even in Islam, when your neighbor is hungry, you shouldn't go to sleep or you shouldn't go to Hajj. But now your neighbor, your brothers and sisters in China are being oppressed and facing this genocide. So what we really want is your help. Take some action. Thank you.